Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be addressing a confusion, or I'm just going to be answering a question I've been getting here on my Temu videos, okay? So some people have been asking if they'll really get the gifts, you know, once they go ahead to pay for the items, because definitely Temu free gifts come with paid orders. You need to, purchase some things to activate it. So they've been asking if they will really get the gift. Some people said they paid for some items, but the gift was not part of those items that came to them when they got their delivered order. So as I'm talking, I'm going to be putting up the gifts I got from Temu when I used the code I've been sharing here, FRS127497 for the free gifts. So I got some items on Temu and I got 2 free items. I'm also going to be putting up the price of those items, of those 2 free items I got, the worth of those items so that we can see. So yes, you definitely get the gifts. You just have to do 3 things correctly, okay? First of all, you need to be a new app user. Make sure you are a new app user. That if you're not a new app user, you won't, it's not going to be applicable to you, okay? It is clearly stated that it's for new app user. That's the first one. The second thing is you need to place your order within 24 hours. Yes. So you're a new app user, check. You search for the code on the search bar, just like this, FRS127497, and you go ahead to search it. As a new app user, you're going to be offered free gifts, okay? Now, make sure that you place your order within the first 24 hours, because after that is going to expire if you don't place your order. So try to place your order immediately, okay? And as you can see, the third thing now is you need to choose those free gifts from the page you're shown. So people just input the code, they get the offer for the free gifts and they click out. No, it's not going to work that way. If you click out, then you've missed it. That means you're just, ordering on the app like every other person. You're not taking advantage of the fact that you're a new app user. If you're a new app user, it's your first time using the Temu app, you need to take advantage and get these gifts, okay? So once you input the code, they show you a page just like I'm being shown now, that I should choose, 3 free gifts. You need to choose those gifts from the page you're shown. Don't click out. If you click out from this page, then it's gone, okay? Choose the first one. I'm just assuming this is what I want. I've chosen the first one. They'll show you the page again, like with different items to choose the second and the third one. That's just what happens. And once you do that, the next thing you'll be getting is either they multiply your number of gifts or they offer you a credit back or something. But then after that, they'll proceed to tell you need to pay for some items, which is your qualifying orders, because that's the T and C. These gifts come with qualifying orders, okay? So once you're told that, they show you a page similar to this one, but this time it comes with prices. It's not €0. That means you need to pick the items you want from that page. Now, I've done so many videos on this channel on how you can get the higher chance of, picking or getting items being offered to you, those items you really need. You have a higher chance of having those items being offered to you by the Temu app. If you do certain things, I've talked about this on this channel, what you need to do to achieve that. So you can check out that video and see what you need to do. So yes, that's just the simple thing. These three things now that I've mentioned, that's just the simple thing you should do, okay? First, you're a new app user. Secondly, you use the code. Third, choose your items from the page you're being shown, your free items and your paid items. If you click out on any of these pages, then it's gone. You've lost the free gifts. Now, I can assure you, there is no way you will do these 3 things correctly and you will not get your free gift delivered to you alongside your paid items. It's not possible. Maybe you've made a mistake somewhere, or you've done something wrong, or maybe you clicked out when it got to the paid item. Assuming what you're seeing on the page is not what you want to pay for. Maybe you mistakenly clicked out. Then it's gone. Your effort has just been in vain. okay? So make sure you follow all the instructions to the T, and I can assure you that you get your gift, okay? Like I said, I'll be putting up my own evidence that I got this free gift. I got 2 free gifts when I used the code. I'm going to be putting it up so that we can see, okay? And I'm sure that a lot of people have already gotten their free gift. If you have, you can leave in the comment section so that people can see. I don't know why a lot of people are making the mistake of doing something wrong and then risking not getting the gifts. Well, I hope this video has cleared up whatever doubts you may have, okay? If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment like I've said, and I'll reply you, okay? Thank you for watching to this point, and have a wonderful day. Bye.